Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how you can be adding a PDF file to your Mailchimp campaign. Now, when it comes to adding a PDF file, it might seem a little bit weird, but I'm going to explain to you how it works. So here I'm going to go first to campaigns, and I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to make it a regular email. I'm not going to choose automation landing page. Go here, and let's start with designing the email. Now here for the content itself, or for the design, as you can see here, we can edit it from this area, and we can add a lot of elements. But to add a file, as you can see, we have, for example, hidden paragraph, button, image, video, survey, apps, products, product recognition, recognito, and other stuff. But we don't really have like something that can add for us, like basically PDF. So even if you added this thing here, select the app to add, so apps here, as you can see, we don't really have PDF. So how can we link it? Well, the only way to link it is by adding a paragraph, and this paragraph here is gonna be linked, as you can see, to something. In our case, it's gonna be PDF. Then upload from device and choose the PDF file that you want it to be linked within this thing. Same thing goes for button. If I would like this button to be linked, I would do that by changing this to file and edit upload from device, and make sure to simply, like here, change it to PDF so people can actually know that after clicking here they will download the PDF. And that's pretty much it. Then save and send it. It's very simple. Thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.